Mastering coaching mentoring. Coaching and mentoring are the secret sauce that sets manufacturing industry leaders apart from the rest. Why do organizations in the manufacturing industry derive numerous benefits from embracing coaching and mentoring as a strategic approach to foster operational excellence, thereby enhancing their overall performance and competitiveness? Organizations in the manufacturing industry derive numerous benefits from embracing coaching and mentoring as a strategic approach to foster operational excellence, thereby enhancing their overall performance and competitiveness. Coaching and mentoring are essential components of operational excellence, as they enable organizations to develop a culture of continuous improvement, empower employees to take ownership of their work, and foster a collaborative work environment. By adopting coaching and mentoring as a strategic approach, organizations can reap numerous benefits, including 1. Improved employee performance. Coaching and mentoring help employees to identify areas for improvement, set goals, and develop strategies to achieve them. This leads to enhanced performance, increased productivity, and better job satisfaction. When employees are coached and mentored, they are more likely to take ownership of their work, leading to improved quality, reduced defects, and increased efficiency. 2. Knowledge transfer and preservation. Coaching and mentoring facilitate the transfer of knowledge and expertise from experienced employees to newer ones, ensuring that critical skills and knowledge are preserved and passed on to future generations. This helps to minimize the risk of knowledge loss due to employee turnover or retirement. 3. Enhanced collaboration and communication. Coaching and mentoring promote a collaborative work environment, encouraging employees to share best practices, ideas, and experiences. This fosters open communication, breaks down silos, and develops a sense of teamwork, leading to better problem-solving, decision-making, and innovation. 4. Increased innovation and improvement. Coaching and mentoring encourage employees to think critically, challenge existing processes, and develop innovative solutions. This leads to the identification of opportunities for improvement, the implementation of new ideas, and the development of more efficient and effective processes. 5. Leadership development. Coaching and mentoring provide a structured approach to leadership development, enabling organizations to identify, develop, and retain future leaders. This ensures that leaders are equipped with the skills, knowledge, and competencies required to drive operational excellence and achieve organizational goals. 6. Cultural transformation. Coaching and mentoring play a crucial role in cultural transformation, helping organizations to shift from a traditional, hierarchical culture to a more collaborative, empowering, and continuous improvement-focused culture. This enables organizations to adopt a mindset of operational excellence, where employees are encouraged to take ownership, innovate, and continually improve processes. 7. Improved employee engagement. Coaching and mentoring demonstrate an organization's commitment to employee development, growth, and well-being. This leads to increased employee engagement, motivation, and job satisfaction, resulting in reduced turnover rates, improved morale, and enhanced overall performance. 8. Better decision-making. Coaching and mentoring help employees to develop critical thinking, problem-solving, and decision-making skills. This enables them to make informed, data-driven decisions, reducing errors, and improving overall performance. 9. Enhanced customer satisfaction. Coaching and mentoring focus on delivering value to customers, ensuring that products and services meet customer requirements, and that continuous improvement is driven by customer needs. This leads to increased customer satisfaction, loyalty, and retention. 10. Competitive advantage. Organizations that adopt coaching and mentoring as a strategic approach to operational excellence gain a competitive advantage over their peers. They are better equipped to respond to changing market conditions, customer needs, and industry trends, enabling them to stay ahead of the competition. In conclusion, coaching and mentoring are essential components of operational excellence in the manufacturing industry. By adopting these approaches, organizations can develop a culture of continuous improvement, empower employees, and foster a collaborative work environment, ultimately leading to enhanced performance, competitiveness, and sustainability.